Hello everyone, welcome today on a Monday. Yes, it's a Monday, November the 21st, 2022. Yes, new week, new puzzles, and in this puzzle page we have here only one regular Sudoku puzzle, a Sudoku Medium. And in this puzzle page we have also an additional with extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese a Suguru. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. And well, what's the news of today? Yesterday Max Verstappen won the last race of the season. Yes, he has total of 15 victories in this season. Yes, first is Verstappen, then Leclerc, and then Perez. All right, 15 victories in one season. It's a record. Yes. All right. The regular Sudoku Medium number. This will be number 5513. Alright, 5513. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me write this here, 5513. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve. But if you compare with the 1 star, 2 star, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku, Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So is this a 2 stars? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this column. Two of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 1. We have a 6 and a 1 in this big square, so no 6 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. The 6 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 6 and a 1, 6 and a 1. We have a 6 in the middle row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Alright. Then. We have a 3 in this row. The 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the last column. 3 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the first row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the first row. 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the third column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the first column. 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the threes are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. All right. Then the 4 in this column, the 4 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Then 2, 6, 5, 2, 3, 2, 2. Okay. Then 7, 5, 4. We have here in this big square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 7, the 5, and the 4. We have a 7, 5, and a 4 in this column. So no 7, 5, and a 4 in these 3 boxes. The 7, 5, and a 4 goes in those 3 boxes. We have a 4 here, so here can be a 4, so 7 and a 5 here. 7, 5, and a 4. 7, 5, and a 4. So what are these 3 missing numbers then in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 6, 9. 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9. And look, we have a 1 and a 6 in this row. So no 1 and a 6 in this box. The 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes. Let's appear. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. No 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 9. Alright. Then. Let me see. Come on. Yeah. We have a 6 in the third row, the 6 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the last column. No 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, 6. Alright, the 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be here. Okay. Alright. Let me think. 7, 5, 4, 3. Come on. 8. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the last column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here, 1 in the third row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 here in the third column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And 8 goes there. 8. Well, we have here 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, or there. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in one of these 3 boxes in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, first row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. So 2 numbers left now, the 7 and the 5. 7 and a 5 in this big square, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 2 9 2 9 2 9, okay. 1 9 1 9 1 9. Come on. 4 7 7 7 2 2 2 2 9 and the 1 1 1. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 2 9 1 2 9 1 2 9 1 2 9. And look, we have 1 and a 9 in this column, so no 1 and 9 in this box. The 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2 is missing. 1 box left in the second column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Alright, 1 and a 9. 9 and the 7. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between, in the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 boxes left in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this middle column, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Alright. Okay. 2 2. 2 2. 7. Then. Oh, here 1 and a 9. Well, we have a pair here also, 1 and a 9. So here we have the pair also. In this row, 1 2 3 4. Okay. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this middle column, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 8 and a 9. Well, it cannot be a 9 because here we have a pair 1 and a 9. 1 or a 9 in one of these 2 boxes. So it can be a 9. So this box should be definitely an 8, and that box should be a 9. Now we have an 8 here, 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. Sorry, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The one is well, we have a 1 and a 9 here. So the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 6 in this row, last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 in this row. 2, oh, wait, we have all the 6s, and all the 6s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 4, number 6. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 2. 2 numbers are left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. No 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers. Oh, wait. 2 missing. 1 number left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Now we have a 9 here. This box can be 9 anymore. This box we have a 1 then. A 1 box left in the last row for number 9. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1. Oh, now we have 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 9. And the final number in this big square for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2-star Sudoku. Yes, definitely a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Oh, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again later on in the evening for the other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.